Welcome back to channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most extravagant and jaw-dropping road machines ever built, the 2026 Kenworth Double-Decker Motorhome. This isn't just any RV, it's a marvel of engineering, luxury, and design that redefines what it means to take your home on the road. Built on the iconic and rugged Kenworth truck platform, this motorhome transforms the raw power and hauling capacity of a big rig into a rolling two-story mansion. If you thought luxury belonged only in penthouses or custom yachts, think again, because this vehicle brings all that opulence to the highways of the world. At first glance, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome commands your attention with its imposing stature. The massive chrome grille, sleek aerodynamic bodywork, and high-gloss paint finish speak volumes before you even step inside. Designed for those who demand the best in life and won't settle for compromise, this vehicle towers with its double-decker layout, maximizing vertical space in a way few have dared to attempt. With reinforced air suspension, expanded wheelbase, and an intelligent leveling system, it maintains perfect stability on any terrain, allowing its two-story format to feel just as secure as a single-floor design. Under the hood, the Kenworth Motorhome roars to life with a turbocharged PACCAR MX-13 engine, delivering upwards of 510 horsepower and over 1,850 pound-feet of torque. This ensures it can tow, climb, and cruise with the smooth authority expected of a vehicle in its class. Paired with a 12-speed automated manual transmission, the motorhome offers seamless gear shifts and efficient highway cruising. It's built for endurance, boasting a massive fuel tank capacity of over 250 gallons, providing extended range for long, uninterrupted journeys. The integration of regenerative braking, advanced engine diagnostics, and multiple drive modes, including mountain, eco, and snow, enhances safety and adaptability in any environment. Now let's talk about what makes this vehicle truly revolutionary: its interior. The moment the automatic doors slide open, you're greeted by a spacious entryway finished with Italian marble flooring, LED mood lighting, and a built-in touchscreen control panel. The staircase, elegantly spiraled and lit with fiber optics, leads you to the upper level. The lower floor is home to a full-scale entertainment lounge, complete with plush leather recliners, a 75-inch OLED smart TV, and a surround sound system by Bang & Olufsen. Every window is electronically tinted, with privacy glass that can switch from clear to opaque with a single command. A heated marble floor runs throughout, and all furniture is crafted from lightweight carbon composite reinforced with sustainable bamboo and leather inlays. The kitchen rivals that of high-end apartments in New York or London. It includes a full-size induction stove, smart refrigerator with touchscreen display, convection oven, and even a wine cellar integrated into the floor. The counters are genuine quartz, and cabinetry is soft close with custom lighting. Built-in sensors track food levels and can automatically create shopping lists or place online grocery orders. The dining area features a hydraulic fold-out table that seats 6, with motorized panoramic windows that provide an uninterrupted view of your surroundings. Upstairs, the master suite is nothing short of spectacular. With over 7 feet of headroom and expansive width thanks to automated slide-outs, the suite includes a California king-sized bed with memory foam and climate control. Hidden compartments house a vanity, reading lights, and USB-C charging ports. The room includes a 55-inch retractable smart screen at the foot of the bed and dedicated surround sound tailored for immersive movie nights. The ensuite bathroom is covered in luxury finishes, featuring a rainfall shower, heated towel racks, voice-activated lighting, and a composting toilet system that's both eco-friendly and odor-free. There's also a walk-in closet with dehumidifiers and storage for up to a month's worth of clothes, complete with garment steaming and drying technology. The second floor also includes a guest room or children's bunk area with convertible beds, privacy dividers, and their own entertainment system. There's even a mini office space with a fold-down desk, satellite internet, and noise-canceling glass, perfect for remote work or digital nomads. Solar panels on the roof, paired with a battery bank and an onboard generator, make this motorhome fully off-grid capable. The HVAC system is smart-controlled, with individual temperature zones and even air purification filters capable of removing bacteria and allergens. And the cherry on top is the rooftop deck. Yes, the 2026 Kenworth Double-Decker includes a retractable deck with collapsible railings, a mini bar, lounge seating, and optional hot tub installation. You can literally park in the middle of the Grand Canyon and watch the stars from a private sky lounge. In terms of safety and tech, this motorhome is equipped with 360-degree cameras, radar-based adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation, and biometric start authentication. The entry door uses facial recognition and voice command for added security, while the onboard AI assistant can help plan routes, adjust interior lighting, or provide weather updates in real time. It even has drone surveillance support. A drone stored in a retractable bay can be launched to scout ahead, monitor campsites, or capture cinematic footage of your journey. Towing a trailer? No problem. The rear hitch system is rated for massive loads and includes a camera feed, weight sensors, and auto-leveling jacks. There's even a garage underneath the first floor that can accommodate a motorcycle, golf cart, or compact electric vehicle. The garage includes a charging port, custom storage racks, and a tire inflation station. No need to compromise your mobility once you've set up camp. And for pet lovers, this motorhome even includes a climate-controlled pet nook, complete with feeding station, litter area, and a small treadmill for exercise during long travel days. Every detail in the 2026 Kenworth Double-Decker Motorhome is meticulously crafted to offer a premium lifestyle while maintaining rugged durability and long-haul performance. It's a vehicle that serves not just as transportation but as a statement, a declaration that freedom, luxury, and innovation can all be yours in a mobile package. Whether you're a traveling executive, luxury nomad, celebrity on tour, or a family seeking the ultimate road trip experience, this motorhome brings the comforts of a mansion and the mobility of a tank. It pushes boundaries and blurs lines between vehicle and residence, between technology and indulgence. And as we see global trends shifting toward remote lifestyles and van-based freedom, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome stands tall, literally and figuratively, as the epitome of what's possible when ambition meets engineering. This isn't just a glimpse into the future, it is the future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing vehicles and in-depth looks at how innovation is changing the way we live and travel.